Hi, this is wpholder, the guy who will help you with your website, the Ukrainian guy. You can ask me for help by email in description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. Today, I want to show you how to set up pre-made layouts in Divi theme. If my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation to support me. All info is in the description area under this video. So, you bought theme, you installed it, you added license. It's very important that you added license. You can check it into Divi, theme options, and updates. These fields should not be empty. They should be working. Otherwise, you do not have access to updates, to new features, you don't have access to new layouts, pre-made layouts. Right. Okay, so we have our homepage. This is my test website. Yeah, looks creepy. Click Enable Visual Builder. So let's load it. After click three dots and click plus. Sometimes when you first time open your just fresh Divi installation, you see this pop up. So you just should go into pre-made layouts. If you did some changes, you should do this way. Open page, click plus, and you will see it. Okay, after you can see all pre-made layouts, you can filter by your category and select it. Okay, let's choose some default, which will be like this. Okay, we clicked on the layout pack, and now we see pages. So it's shop page, blog page, contact page, home page, landing. So you can use this layout. Like click on home because we want home page for home page, and click use this layout. Okay, it's installed. So I'm pretty sure it should be locked, but let's check. Yeah, we have our pre-made layout. Isn't it great? Now you can edit it, like change titles, change images, and do what you want with your website. So I really hope my video helped you and you create a beautiful website. If you have issues, you always can contact me by email in description area under this video. So I will help you to do great website. Thank you. Have a good day.